You know what's the best thing sometimes? When you can look in the mirror and you can say, okay, I love how my face look, and not be worrying about how your face look, because sometimes you worry about your face and it can cause depression. And you know when you can look in the mirror and you can say, oh God, I look amazing, I look pretty, I don't have no pimples popping out every second. I have to be in front of the mirror, looking in the mirror on that pimple. Or every time you pass the mirror, you see that pimple just popping out like that, and you keep on worrying. You have to make your face happy. You have to make your skincare routine be something that it is on a regular basis. You have to take things like pills. I'm not talking about no skin lightening pill. I'm talking about health wise, your vitamins, your minerals, whatever your diet, a good diet, drink a lot of water. I have been using that for like the past few months, and I think it's helping me. You have to know what you consume, because it's not everything you consume. Sometimes the oily food can cause pimples and it's bad for your skincare, and you're spending a lot of money trying to get rid of certain things that it is just not the problem, and you want to find out what's the real problem. It's probably a diet, understood? And we want our skin to glow. A lot of water, as simple as it sounds, water can help your skin in so much ways. It's not all about skin lightening creams. Yes, skin lightening creams help you with certain conditions, but it is not going to help you with every condition you have based on skincare. Skin lightening creams can make you look brown and pretty, yes, but sometimes certain pimples pop out. It's not all about that. It's probably you need water, probably you need vitamins, probably you're not eating well, and it's time to start eating fruits and vegetables in your diet and all that stuff, because listen, it works. I ain't telling you lie, it works, understand? So you have to make your skin happy. Just like how you want to see a smile on your face, that is how your skin want to feel good. Your skin want to feel hydrated. When you go out in the sun and you touch your skin and you feel that skin, oh, it's smooth and nice, you know that your skin is happy. You don't have teeth to smile and mouth to smile, but when you feel the texture of your skin, it feels really good. That is how you know that your skin is really happy, really smiling, really telling you thanks. Don't believe this is a joke, but this is real talk. Real talk. I like to sit down with my subscribers and I like to talk about skin because I love texture. Whether you dark skin, whether you light skin, whether you do skin lightening, I love skin texture. Yes, people, I'm being real. I'm being real. I love to see when people dark, but at the end of the day, people do lighten their skin, and I like my skin. I love the texture of my skin, and I like to see when people look in the mirror and feel confident, whether or not you're dark. People in the mirror look in their the mirror and look at their self and smile when they're dark skin. People go in that same mirror and love their complexion when they're white and flawless as well. People go in the mirror and look on their skin and say, "Oh, my bleaching look good. My skin lightening turn up," and feel confident. But as soon as that pimple come out or that red irritation come out or some hyperpigmentation comes out, we lose confidence. We don't have that smile on our face anymore because of that. And that is why we as skincare people try our best to ensure that people smile and feel confident about their skin, whether or not there's a pimple on it. Yeah, because it's not easy. Skincare, skin on a whole, when you look in the mirror, you feel depressed. Big time. I'm not lying. People feel depressed over their skin because your face is your beauty. And you know, we have to cherish certain things in life. We have to ensure that we keep up our health. And you know, I never even introduce myself, but I am Samantha and I do skin bleaching tips and review all about the skincare. Um, I try my best on this channel. Well, guys, this is the end of my video. I thank you so much for watching. If you have reached this far, thank you. I hope you like, share, subscribe, share with your family. Please watch the ads because without you watching the ads, you know, it's impossible for me to be doing videos and you're not watching the ads. But thank you guys. I do more videos on my platform. You can go and check them out. I will link one or two in my description so that you can catch a vibe. Yeah. Um Continue to share, continue to support. If you want to donate to my PayPal, link will be in the description as well. I hope you guys have flawless skin and continue to be confident all the time and big up yourself. Have a great night or have a great day. Now it's night in Jamaica. Bye, guys.